For the gravy, for the roast dinner, you can use the water from the chicken, stir it. You can add in a little bit of wine or thicken it up with any flavor that you like, but I'm just going to serve it plain. You may also use ready-made gravy granules. You can pop this into some hot water. Stir until you get the consistency you prefer. You can also add the gravy from the chicken into the ready-made one for better flavor. Like you can see, there's no red juice coming through, so that means it's all done. I'm placing it with a little bit of vegetable and a couple of potatoes. A little bit of gravy. Enjoy.